Hey everyone, it's an all-action location today. Moasure and I are going to be taking on ramps and jumps at this skate park. This will need resurfacing, and the jumps, ramps are possibly going to be redone in concrete, which has a greater life expectancy. You can tell that they've taken a pounding over the years, but Moasure One here will go gentle on them. As I take a walk around the park, it will measure and draw it all out as we go. We will get to play with really cool features on Moasure today, like layers, different path types for complex shapes, gradients, elevations, etc. So let me show you. Actually, just a note, if you notice, this area is roughly over 4,000 square feet and it's just little old me. I don't need anyone else to hold a tape, write down the measurements or sketch out a drawing or anything like that. As you will now see, just place this camera down and we'll set up. To activate Moasure, give it a flick of the wrist to rotate, launch the app, select close shape, and boom! Moasure sensors and cool tech are in here whirring into life, and in but a moment it is telling me that it is ready to go.